Chillin' 2 weather. Chevy Chevalier.
6:52 on your Thursday morning. We got partly to mostly cloudy skies this morning and some shower activity. But let's get to the drought first. And it did get a little bit worse, not for the Big Island. They are still the same. That extreme portion and northwest parts of the county and western portions of Maui. This is the area that's under the stage 1 with the mandatory water restrictions, and then western portions of Molokai. That has all stayed the same. Even most of Oahu's in moderate drought, and you can see the tips are in severe drought. That has not changed. The only part that changed is this little sliver here on the leeward side of Kauai is now in the severe category. So even Kauai getting pretty bad. So partly to mostly cloudy skies, windward Mauka showers. Some of these have been coming over the mountains into leeward sections for this morning. Even on Kauai, they've gotten some leeward showers. Good timing, right? You see the drought update that today gets a little bit worse, and we get some shower activity. We just got to keep it going. It takes a while and a lot of rain to get out of the situation. Some pretty moderate showers on the windward side of Oahu this morning, and some of those have crossed over, as I mentioned, into Honolulu. So you might have some wet roadways out there. Chris will show you that here in a second. 17 sustained for Lihue and 15 for Kahului, 12 for Molokai. So we're going to go up to 15 to 20 miles per hour on the leeward side, even higher. You can see 25 to even 30 in some areas in the windiest places. That's for sustained winds. Gusts obviously higher, up to 40 miles per hour. And the winds get stronger as we go into the weekend, this weekend, and for your 4th. Now, a chance for rain. Saturday night, most likely we're looking at the Big Island gets a chance for showers and Maui County. But then this weekends, and it kind of pushes up to the north as we get into Sunday. Slight chance for shower activity for Oahu and Kauai. And that's it for the significant chance for rain over the next 9 or 10 days. Your beach forecast extreme with the UV index 11.2 for the next 7 days. Tomorrow, much the same as today. Saturday, we start to pick up the winds even more. So windy conditions all the way through the 4th. That we do clear things out, and it looks like the 4th is going to be a pretty nice day, albeit a windy day. And then we get back to just straight breezy trades Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday. That's a look at your 9-day forecast. Now let's get a look at your surf with Gary. Good morning, Gary.
Hey, good morning, Chevy. Well, the North Shore's down a notch at flat to 1.5 feet, just northeast wind swell wrapping around. Makaha's 1 to 3 feet, and other spots are like up to 4 feet that focus the swell. Town is solid 4 feet. And we're looking at solid 4-footers at Diamond Head, but it's just nuking trades and shredded. Sandy Beach 3 to 4, and Makapu'u 2 to 3 plus. It's getting very choppy and rough, unorganized there, thanks to these trades that are already getting up to 15 to 30 out at Sandy's and Makapu'u, according to the observations. Small craft advisories for all waters, coastal and channel. We had a small high tide at 4:30. It drops out to a minus low tide at 10 a.m., and then a big high tide at 5:30. Sun will set 7:17 and rise at 5:52.